It's Tuesday. Let's make a cocktail. I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to make a Boilermaker beer cocktail. Now, I've never made this before, and I don't think anyone ever has before. It just sort of came to me today. So we're going to throw a bunch of shit together, and we're going to see if it tastes good. And even if it doesn't taste good, at least it's going to get us drunk. So let's get into it. 1.5 ounces bourbon. The cheaper, the better. Juice of 2 lime wedges. Tiny pinch of salt. And fill it up with beer.
I left my phone somewhere.
And there you have it, the Boilermaker beer cocktail. Let's try it out. Wow. The flavor of the bourbon really comes through, but the alcohol bite is like totally muted. This is actually pretty good. I think it would be awful if the bourbon tasted awful, so if you try this, make sure you use a good tasting alcohol. All right, that's it for today.